it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having an amazing day and ready for today's video. So guys, I have some Born Pretty PR, some cat eyes, because you know we are here for the cat eyes, and today I have 5 Mambo Ice cat eyes from Born Pretty. Look at the beautiful colors. So I am going to swatch them today and see what they look like. We want to see how they move, all the stuffs. So I have some tips here ready, and as always guys, there are discount codes on screen and in the description box for you if you'd like to purchase anything from bornpretty.com, because there is a lot. So in the description box as well, I will leave links for these cat eyes if you are interested in them. Because here's the thing, cat eyes, they don't ever go out of fashion, right? But, sorry. They don't ever go out of fashion, but they kind of go, trend, come back, but they're always there. So, I actually had everything in order. What did I do? Anyway, we'll start with the first, this one. MY59, this Mambo Ice. I can't wait to see. So, it's like, you know, it's like that beautiful gold. I'm already in love with this shade because, not gold, sorry, nude. It's definitely a nude shimmer cat eye. Now, I think for some cat eyes, as I always say, you really don't need the dark base. You could actually just use it as is, and that's what I'm going to do. So you can already see how reflective this cat eye is. Just moving the particles around. Let's bring them back. So I love that. You can definitely do the French with this. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, we'll cure. So I only did 1 coat of that because I think you'll be able to see, you know, all the good stuff. So I'm gonna go in. Oh, I've got 60 and it's pink. So this is the Mambo Ice, oops, 60, MY60, and it's like a foxy rosy pink, so I'm not mad at that. Okay, so I'm going to do the same and just wake up all of the particles. Oh, just holding the magnet there a bit and really get the cat eye popping. So that's MY80, not 80, 60. Oh my goodness. So we got 61, which is this gorgeous green. So I like this. It's giving like mint, all that peppermint. I love this shade of green. So beautiful. And personally, the colors are opaque. I've only done 1 coat on them, so I'm actually happy with how opaque they are. Sorry, just trying to get the magnet to move the way I want it to move. Oh, don't drop it. And this is just a swatch, you know, you get to see what they look like, and they are very, very responsive is the word I'm looking for. So MY62 is a gorgeous blue. Love this shade. So we're gonna just get that on. I wish I could, like, I wish I was live to do a poll. Should I do a demo, like one nail demo? I'm gonna see. I'm going to, because what I don't know is, do I want to see what they look like on a black swatch as well? So I think I will definitely get a black tip out and see. Oh my gosh, because I think you should always know and test, especially with cat eyes. They will surprise you in terms of, you know, their properties, what they can do, what they can't do, their limitations, you know. And does it look good in matte? Does it look good in like gloss alone? There's so many variants. So that was MY62, and the last one is MY63, which is looking like a purple. Looks like a purple shade, like a, I don't know, purpley silver, but I'm definitely seeing a hint of purple in there. But I do like the shade because it's like a cross between something grey and purple, and I don't have no names for that. Ooh, this is a stunning color. Like, these cat eyes are so super responsive. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so I've got like an Aurora chrome here, and I want to see how this looks. And that's what I mean, it'd have to be like an Aurora chrome. These were from Yogi, and you can actually still see. So I'm just gonna top coat that. And how it just changes that nail is gorgeous, but the Cateye is still moving. I'm just gonna cure one of the lamps off so you can see, even on that tip with the chrome, you can still see the Cateye. But how sick does that look? So, so cool. I'll put the light back on and you can see. So yeah, I've had fun playing with these cat eyes and Mama Does Nails. Thank you so much for watching. I have, I think, about 5 or 6 of these chromes, so I'm definitely going to get the rest out because I really like how they look on this cat eye. And please feel free, as I said guys, to use and share the discount codes, and you can try the Mambo Ice because you've seen it here. It's beautiful with chrome. It's awesome on a clear tip. I don't want to talk about this demo. It's all right, but you know, I'm just gonna leave her to the side. This is the star of the show. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch me in the next one.